What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on PLTR stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with amazing fundamental news. I will show you new partnership that almost confirmed officially. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very point and I've told you that we broke this previous swing high. This means we established on a slightly bigger scale higher lows and higher highs, and it was a very good sign that we have this price action. I also told you that we might have a retracement, and this retracement might land from the levels of 0.382, and by the way, we also had this support/resistance line at $12.5, and I also told you that we might hit this range and had a good bounce. But instead of this, we had a very shallow retracement to 0.3236 Fibonacci retracement level at the price point of $12.74. This means this asset is extremely bullish and it has more upside potential, and it has more upside momentum for now to hit some higher targets. And on one of my previous videos, I've told you that we had very good range of support right here, and we had the ABC correction that has one-to-one extension in A wave compared to C wave, and I've told you that this range on the retracement might be your accumulation point, and it is also a very good confluence with these two support lines and with the golden pocket from the very bottom to the very top of this first wave diagonal. And from this range you might be up, let me show it to you. From this range you might be up to the current price point of $32.88. And right here, let me show you, let me delete this tool, I don't need it for now. Right here, as you can see, we hit the range that I marked previously. It is the resistance line from previous several tops right here, and we might connect it even right here, and all of these ranges from $14.24 all the way up to $14.43 is the range of resistance, and we hit it to the tick and had a small bounce to the downside. So I have to say that this asset is very technical and it has a very good upside potential from the technical standpoint. But let me show you amazing news that directly related to this asset. And let me show you that on a Reddit thread related to Palantir, we have a bunch of interesting news. And I want to pay your attention on this one. Google and Palantir. Palantir has become an operating system of choice of enterprises. And let me show you, as you can see, we have this screenshot of Stephen Elliott. And let me show you his profile on LinkedIn. And right here, as you can see, he has the most recent filing made on March 2022, and it says Head of AI Solutions, Google Cloud Public Sector. And let me quote you this. Google Cloud AI, BigQuery and Google Public Data combined with the technology like Palantir Foundry force multiples and organizations' ability to execute on their mission by creating new capabilities in a matter of weeks, not months or years. This phase of cloud and AI surpasses the value provided by traditional IaaS and SaaS adoption. As a part of Google Cloud's enterprise AI and analytics team, I work with our amazing public sector customers and Google Cloud public sector team on realizing the benefits of cloud plus AI through the adoption of Palantir Foundry on Google Cloud. And I have to say that it is almost official confirmation that Palantir, for now, is partnering with Google, at least with one of their branches, that is Google Cloud. And I have to say that it is a major announcement that wasn't made officially, but it is officially confirmed, because right here on LinkedIn, I cannot imagine that someone might fake his or her account. Definitely, we have very good news from the fundamental standpoint, and I have to say that in upcoming earnings report, definitely we will see huge increase in numbers, in financial numbers of Palantir that will lead to much higher price targets for Palantir. But for now, we also have some short-term catalyst, and it is also very important. And let me show you right here that just several hours ago, on NBCnews.com we have this article, and it says Russia-Ukraine war live updates. Moscow says it will reduce military presence near Kiev. Russian Deputy Defense Minister Alexander Fomin said Moscow would drastically reduce its military presence in the directions of Kiev and Chernihiv. And definitely it is main news related to Russia-Ukraine crisis, and with this de-escalation of this process, we might see much higher reaction on markets that might lead to much higher price targets. Because we don't have any major bad news related to markets, we already have some roadmap from Federal Reserve and for their interest rate hikes. And definitely this news was the only territory of uncertainty that potentially pushed the price of all of the stocks down. And because of this news, let me show you that all of the indexes are in green. Dow Jones gained about 1%, Nasdaq gained about 1.8%, and S&P 500 gained about 1.2%. Definitely we have a green day for all of the stocks, and that is why Palantir during the recent session went up for more than 11%. Definitely very good movement. So, and let me show you the institutional investors of this list. First of all, let me pay your attention on this chart. It is the institutional ownership related to the price of Palantir. And despite of quite low price, we have consistently increasing number in institutional owners. And let me show you the recent filings. And right here we have filings that were made on March 29th. And we have a bunch of them. And let me pay your attention on this column. It is the percentage of share changed. And if the number is negative, definitely it is the reduction of this position. And if the number is positive, it is an increase in this position. And we have during only one day of March 29th, we have a bunch of filings with a positive number. This means more and more companies are adding their position with Palantir, and definitely it is a very good sign. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as I already mentioned, we established higher lows and higher highs on this scale, but we have to break this range of resistance that we hit right now, yesterday basically, and we have to break it to the upside with increasing volume. And the only concern for now that with this movement to the upside, we have quite low volume. And definitely it is not the real concern, but it might be quite suspicious, because we have to break all the resistances to the upside with increasing volume in order to confirm this breakout. That is why, as you can see right here, we broke this resistance, the previous swing high, with increasing volume, and right here the volume is almost the highest among several weeks of sessions. And definitely we might have from this range we might have some reaction to the downside. Then we might collect some steam and hit higher targets. And what should you do if you want to enter the position? I have to say that from the investor standpoint, the major positive sign for them to enter the position will be the breakout above this range of resistance. And when we will have this breakout, definitely it will give more credibility to this asset that right here at $9.36 price point, it hit its lowest point. And for now, with this confirmation of higher highs and higher lows, and when we will break this range, it will be a major sign to enter the position. That is why, in my opinion, right before this breakout, and I'm pretty sure that this breakout will be confirmed in just several sessions, you can accumulate your position all the way down to previous range of support, and from this level we might have very good bounce to the upside to hit some higher targets. And what are the next ranges of resistance? Definitely it is the previous swing high right here at the price point of $19.66. And we might achieve this range in a matter of just a couple of months. So I think from a technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants, so you better go live it